how to log in to your Wi-Fi router. So this can be really useful if you want to access your router Wi-Fi settings. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on mobile as well. Now first thing you need to do is open up your start menu, search for CMD and then click on the command prompt. You then need to type in ipconfig and then go and press enter. Now if you come down to default gateway, you're going to see a series of numbers at the very bottom. Now these numbers are how you access your router Wi-Fi login page. So you just need to go and make a note of these numbers here. You can then open up an internet browser and you need to type in those numbers from the CMD. You can then press enter. And this will take you over to your router Wi-Fi login page. Now, in order to find the username and password for this, there's basically two different ways. You can either look on the back of the router device, and on the router, you'll see the default username and password. Now, if you don't have access to this, another thing you can do is if you go and open up a Google tab, you can type in the name of your router. So for me, it's ONU, but you could be using something like Virgin or Sky. You then need to type in the name of your router and type in default login information. So this should go and give you some suggestions of what the default username and password may be. So on my router, it's typically going to be admin and admin, but for you, it might be admin and password or user and password, just basically depends on the router you're using. So I'm just going to enter this information like so. And then once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all of your different Wi-Fi router settings.